beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, how are you? My name is Eleftheria and we are taking over the challenge of daily UI. We are on day 8 of 100. We have a lot of work to do. I mean, not in this specific day, but in general, in 100 days. And today's theme is 404 page or page not found. We're not going to code a lot of stuff, but I'm going to show you a tool that I'm going to be using, and it's called Animista. So first, let's see our template. I'm always using the same template because I don't want to devote some extra time in order to have like a template. So for this 8 challenges, and I think until the 10th day, I'm going to be using the exact same structure. I'm using AngularJs and Angular material, but all the things that I will be showing you today, it can be done in any other language or in any other framework, so you don't have to use them. I will focus today on the Animista tool and not so much on coding stuff. Let's start with, and one more thing. You can find all the code that I'm going to be doing in the description box. I will have 2 links, one for my CodePen and then another one for GitHub, so you can choose whichever you prefer to see my code, and also will leave in the description box the Animista page that I'm going to show you in a bit. So we have today's theme, which is day 8, then we have the working area, which is the place that our code is going to be, and then we have the footer. You don't have to worry about the footer, you can do whatever you like with it. For me, the footer is this part right here. As for the CSS, I have some basic classes like body, theme, and working area, which is like this part right here, and then of course the footer. We will start writing some classes after the working area. So first, let's go to the HTML and start typing the things that I want for the 404 page. I will do, I think, 3 divs. I want them to be in the center, so I'm going to have them as layout equals row, and then a layout align. Okay, I can actually take it from here. I don't know, guys, if you can hear some background noise. It's because it's raining outside. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I cannot change the rain. Let's take that part right here and like paste it a couple of times. Okay, now I will have here some text like, oh no, sorry, page not found, sorry, page not found. And here I'm going to have the 404. And last but not least, refresh to view the animations again. Maybe I won't need this to be as a div. Maybe I can have this as an h5. I think that would be better. For the class, I will do a couple of things. Some of them will be like the theme. The theme class, let me paste it everywhere. Okay, so the theme class has a 32 pixels of top and bottom. You can even write this like that, so you will have padding top 32, padding bottom 32, and left and right 0. Now I will change a little bit also the font size. So let's go again right here and create a new class. I will name this one as font size 2. I will tell you in a bit why it's 2. And I'm going to do the same thing for here, but with 3, and also maybe for here with 3. Let's go back to CSS and try those classes. Oops, first I need that one. Okay, and here I'm going to have a margin, let's say 30 pixels, so everywhere in every direction I'm going to have 30 pixels. And then the font size, which is maybe the most important part, will be 2EM, so it's going to be like responsive. I'm going to copy this one and paste it below, and I'm going to have this as a 3, and this one is going to be 3. So that's why I named this font size 2, because it has 2EM, and this one 3 because it has like 3EM. Okay, I don't think that this page looks beautiful now, so let's work a little bit more on this one. The thing that it's not important is this one right here, but let's finish with this one and then we can work on with our animations. I'm going to add here an emoji, maybe that one. Copy message and let's paste it right here. Okay, you can create your own emoji, that's not the important stuff. But now let's work with the important things, which is the 404 page. I'm going to the Animestra and I will leave in the description box the link for this page. What this page does, it's creating animations for you. And there is a great variety, and when you finish with the animation you can click on this button right here that says generate code, and you can take all the code either on auto prefix or minify. It's free, but of course you can support them by donating some money. We're not going to do that right now, but I guess that you get the feeling. Some basic stuff are the options. For here example, I'm going to be going with text. Then you have the duration that you want the animation to be. I will make it like 0.9 seconds. You can also pick the milliseconds. You have the timing function that you can have like a lot of different things right here. I'm going to leave it in the default one, which is the ease out sign. You can have steps and a delay. I'm going to make it as 1 second. And then the iteration count, which is how many times you want to see the animation. You can either have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can click on infinitive, so you will always see that one. You have the direction as normal, reverse, alternate, and alternate reverse. I'm going to leave it in the default one, which is the normal. And the fill mode, which is both backwards, forwards, and so on. Again, I'm going to leave it in the default one. Over here in this upper panel, you have the basic animations, and then you can choose from this one right here. You can have the entrances, the exits, the text, the attention, and the background. We are going to be using exactly this one. Oh, and again, a little parenthesis, guys, it's raining so much, so I'm really sorry for the background noise. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but to my ears this is loud. Anyway, let's see how we can copy this part right here. The first thing that I will do is to make it as a text. Then I'm going to change the duration in 0.9. I'm going to leave it as a linear, and the delay I'm going to make it as a 2, and I'm going to leave the other things as they are. Now I'm going to generate code, and here you have two things that you have to copy. The first one is this one that says copy class, and we will do that. Okay, CSS copy. I'm going back here and I will go to the CSS. After the font sizes, I'm going here. I'm going to paste it. It's called vibrate one. You're going to need that, so I'm also going to copy this one, and I will have that in sorry page not found. I'm going to have this class exactly here. The other thing that you want is also copy keyframes. Go back to the CSS and paste it. Okay, now you have everything. Let's keep working now with maybe, oh no, what effect should we add here? Well, I'm going to basics and I'm going to make it a rotate of 90. Okay, and the duration again here will be like this. The delay will be, let's say, 1. Okay, and I'm going again to copy class. Of course, you can choose like your own. You don't have to take the same as mine. But if you want to, as I've mentioned, I will have all the code in my CodePen or even on GitHub. So no worries there. Let's take the rotate 90 clockwise and go to the HTML. I'm going to add this right here. And last but not least, let's go to 404. I will go to attention maybe, and let's click on text. And this time I'm also going to click on, let's see some other options, maybe Flickr. Okay, no. I mean, there's a great variety. I don't know what you maybe like. This one's, the bounce is quite good, but I'm not sure if I want that for the 404. Let's also go to text. Maybe there are some better options here. You have the tracking in, tracking out. Okay, I do like that one. Maybe I can keep this one. Okay, I will keep the tracking out. We'll have the delay as 3 because I've already have a delay of 1 and then a delay of 2, and I want this to be the last part, so I'm going to have it as a delay 3. I will have this again like 0.9, or you can have it like 1. I don't know what you prefer. And I'm going to copy the classes one more time. So let's go to CSS. Okay, right here I'm going to paste it as the last one, and again we will need to, maybe I don't need this. Okay, I will take this class, tracking out contract, and I'm going to paste it into the HTML, which is like this part right here. Amazing. Okay, let's save it and try to see the result one more time. And here you can see the final result. I hope that you liked it. Because I do have like a slow internet, maybe you cannot see the animations very well, but please try your own through the Animesta. I think that you will love that one. I know that I did when I figured it out for the first time. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have anything or if you want to ask me anything, then just leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching. Keep coding, keep doing amazing stuff, and see you really soon. Bye!